Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to hide my number on Telegram. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after opening, here you can see on your top left corner 3-line icon. Tap on it, then tap on setting. There you can see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of go and look for the option of phone number. Tap on it. Then over here you can see the option of everybody, my contact, nobody. Users who have your number saved in contact will also see it on Telegram. Tap on nobody. Then here you can see who can find me by my number, everybody, my contact. Only tap on my contact only and tap on the tick icon on the top right corner. Like this you have hidden the pic hidden like this you have hidden your phone number with everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.